Hello. Today we will be seeing together how we can add modifiers to some of the items. For example, I have here my item that is called mixed pizza. And as you can see here, I have few options for different prices and different portion size. We're going to be adding some modifiers and some extra, for example, toppings to this item. First of all, we can go to our menu management page. We can go to our modifiers page, and we can click on adding a new modifier group. For example, this modifier group is going to be called mix pizza extra toppings. The first modifier that we're going to have, it's going to be maybe, let's say, mozzarella. The second one, we can add extra sausage. Maybe we can add extra mushroom. And we can decide if we want to add some price to these items or to these modifiers. So for example, let's just add $1 for the mozzarella cheese, maybe $2 for the sausage, maybe $1 for the mushroom. And if I want to add some calories information, I can add it directly from here. And this will be adding some calories to the total of whatever the customer is going to be choosing for the size. Let's say, for example, this modifier group that I just added. And now if we want to add this group to this item that I have here, we should go back to our menu and find this item now. This is the active item that this is the active menu that I have. I will go to my edit menu page, and I can either directly write the name of the item or the item that I'm trying to find. Maybe, for example, here mixed pizza, or I can simply go to my section, which is the pizza section that I have here. I can scroll down, I can see my item, and I can open the editor page here directly. Now at the top, you see that there's a modifier option available here. I'm going to click on it, and now I can see that I have the option to add a modifier group. I can open it and I can add, for example, now the mixed pizza modifier group that I just created. If this group is a mandatory group, so the customer is not able to order this item unless they have a selection being done from this group, in this case, you can click on this button where you can mark it as a required item. This will automatically make the maximum and minimum to 1 because the customer is not able to order without having at least one minimum selection of one selection from this group. As you can see here, my maximum is automatically set to 1, but if you would like, or if you would like to allow the customer to have more than one selection and they have the option to select more than one, in this case, I can customize this and just make it, for example, 2 or 3. Yeah, let's make it 2. I click Save button. And that's it. Let's try to refresh the page now of the same item and see how it's going to look like. As you can see here, now I have the option of adding a new topping or an extra topping to the same item. Let's say, for example, I'm going to add one mozzarella and another one for the sausage. And now, as you can see, I am not able to add more than 2 because I have the maximum being set to 2 selections only.